Today will be the final update because the second gen is ready to go to the frame shop, gang. We will be replacing a little serpentine belt, or however you pronounce it. Get you a little 3/8 drive. Look, bro, if you don't got this tool set, if you know, you know. This is the Harbor Freight 301. Bro, this joint got every little thing that you would ever need, bro. You would never need nothing else in life. All of the whips here, of course. Of course, you know that. Today, the second gen is getting dropped off, y'all. So, hey, we gonna try to drive up there, man. I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully, it goes well, but we're gonna try to make it up there to the shop, drop this joint off. We already got the bumper and everything up in here, headlights up in here. I'm not gonna spoil it, so don't ask. It's not. Oh, it is unlocked. Look. We got everything in here, man. I'm not about to get all super because I already did that in the last video. So y'all got to go watch that last video. The last video was crazy, man. That motherfucker. I did so much in that last video. This joint is literally done. Y'all can't even see the dash. But if you want to see all of the work that I did to it, go back to the last couple videos. Today we will be taking off this hood and I will be putting this back on, bro, because we go try to drive up there. It's a little damaged joint, but we should make it. This and that lower should at least hold that for a couple minutes just so we get that. So, hey, hopefully this goes well, gang. I'm gonna get our boys a little mini spoiler. Hey, this joint is done, man. Seatbelts in there, everything in there, bro. So go watch that last video. That last video was one of the best videos that I ever dropped with this car. Oh shit, this shit, I didn't even notice, bro. This joint look cracked. Damn. Yeah, we gonna have to replace that, bro. And now we just go check this joint, make sure that this joint is completely on. Double checking, ain't nothing wrong with double checking, bro. I'm gonna definitely have to replace this though. All right, y'all, so this will be the first startup in like a week. As you can see, I really built everything up, bro. As long as I can make it a few minutes away, I should be good. So it's gonna be the first startup. Just go make sure there ain't nothing touching right now. Don't look like nothing gonna be touching. Cause bro, ain't none of this bolted up, bro. But we got the AC off right now. As long as it ain't no coolant leaking right now, the coolant is low, so we go get a whole coolant flush, clean this joint up. Once we bring it back, we gonna do an oil change, all of that. I'm gonna let y'all boys know when I leave from the crib, gang. This joint running. I just started it too, and it low-key sound healthy. It don't sound too bad. This is off of a fresh startup with still bogus parts on it. So as soon as I change everything, man, just imagine once everything's sitting together. Y'all ain't see the vision though. Sound healthy. me, shorty. See how the inside looking. Got the parking brake on. See how the inside looking, oh. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna let this joint run for about 10 to 15 minutes. Maybe longer, cause this joint ain't never been, man, this bitch ain't been driven in months. Literally months. Cause just imagine, bro, I ain't drove it in like 2 weeks since I had it. And then it's been at the freaking yard for I don't know how long, bro. So just imagine how long that this joint ain't been on the road. We finna put this joint on the road today though, man. Finna have my BM trail me. And that was another thing though too, bro. It was on some like, did I want her in front of me cause how this shit look? Or did I want her behind me? I'm like, man, and I ain't boat this up, man, but hey, hopefully. How? Hold on, bro. I don't know why I'm freaking protecting this glass like it ain't already broke. All right, y'all, so the hood is off. Finna try to make it down there, man. Wish me luck, gang. And I noticed, bro, this started smoking because I left it running for like 15 minutes. So I had cut it off. I let it rest. So shoot, hopefully it don't be smoking as we go there. All right, I'm gonna give y'all boys some little driving POV real quick while we on the way, shorty. Hey, this damn alignment, I don't know if it's the alignment or something on that side messed up, bro, but hey, this joint driving though, man, we literally one turn away, bro. Got a motherfucker trailing me. And it's crazy though, y'all. Bro, we driving for damn near 10 minutes, bro. Not even 10 minutes, bro. We driving for literally 1 minute, bro. As soon as I get at the end of my block, bro, it's a cop literally going that way. I'm like, ah. But the motherfucker that was driving was a female. She wasn't even paying attention. But the freaking passenger dude, he overly looking. I'm, oh man, this finna be bad. We literally made it, man. And the crazy thing is about them, bro, I kept calling them, bro. They keep on, oh, man, oh, we'll let you know when to bring it in. Man, I'm just finna bring it, bro. I ain't about to keep on playing with y'all, bro. Just find somewhere to put this joint. It ain't like I freaking need it, but they usually do stuff quick, bro. So this joint gonna be done by the time that y'all see this video. Because I got 2 videos done that's already done type crap. So y'all should see it, bro. All right, y'all. So we got the U-Haul now. Man, this motherfucker was $51. We're on our way to grab the hood. I think the hood is about like $360, I believe. SRT8, one screw hood. If you know, you know. If you don't, motherfucking broke, shorty. But I got the bumper in the back as well, because we go drop the bumper and the hood straight off to the shop, bro. Y'all would not believe what this shop just charged me, bro. I'm never getting nothing with framework, never again, bro. Literally never again. If you need framework, I'm not getting it, bro. But it's like, bro, I already knew, but I'm gonna let y'all boys know the whole total. But y'all gonna be like, Davo, you some motherfucking goofy for putting all that money into that car. But hey, it's people out there that put way more money into their RTs, bro. 15,000 plus, bro, to their RTs. So, hey, bro, it's just a part of the game. It's live and learn, build relationships. Because also, this is the new shop. So, you just, bro, build a relationship. Because I was even talking to him, bro, and back and forth, and he even came down $500. But it's still high, bro. And also, because I'm getting everything painted, bro. So, that journey of building relationships, you get better prices. Go ahead, you get better prices, and shoot, I ain't feel like towing my car to the other dude that did my Hellcat. I'm like, nah, bro. I'ma just try out this shop, try to build a little relationship with them, so they go start working with me in the future. So I'm gonna let y'all boys know when we there to grab that motherfucking hood, man. Y'all, we just made it. We got the hood bumper right there. Close this joint up. We also got the vent as well. Boy. Alright. What is that key at? I'm gonna show y'all boys the hood though too when we get back to the shop. I just gotta try to make it there before they end up closing. I think they close around like 5:30. So we finna try to make it, shorty. I ain't gonna lie. TRX ski right there. That silver joint. So I just literally made it to the shop. I'm gonna show y'all boys this too. Once I'm done. Just made it back. Drop off this bumper. And I'm finna drop off this hood. But I'm gonna open up that hood so I can show y'all boys. This place may look familiar for y'all boys. Well, to y'all boys. This motherfucker popular. I just never been here.
El puro ese, pues ya, ¿para qué ocupa este?
Sí, este ya no.
Shout out to them, man. I bought that hood for, well, nah, I ain't gonna tell y'all how much I bought the hood for, bro. Y'all just gonna have to wait to see that whole breakdown, bro. So y'all just gonna have to tune in to the next video. Just pushing this, I'm gonna throw this away right now.